Hi, this is Leslie from Crescent Moon Journals, and I didn't think I'd be back today to make another video, but here I am. So I decided to make a video of this bee journal that I made, and I actually made it for myself, but I can always change my mind, who knows, and decide to list it. But for now, I made it with the intent of keeping it for me. So I've tied it together with some twine. And then this envelope, I made an envelope journal a few years ago. One I sold and one I kept. And it's a folder and it's just different fancy, fun envelopes. And this was one of them. And it's a bee theme, so I removed it from that and decided to put it with this journal. So there's the outer part. There's the back. And then there's another envelope inside. And there's a little journaling card. And there's this one with this wonderful, a friend of mine years ago gave me this little bee button. And so I attached it. I finally had something to do with it. That's the back. And then it's just, I don't even remember what's in here. It's a little Victorian card. And another floral for the bees. So, yeah, I had a hard time deciding whether I should just put this little envelope in a pocket or what. Needless to say, if I sell it, I won't include this set because I'll never find another button like that, for one thing. Okay, so that's that. And then this is the cover. This is the cover of an old bee book, Their Habits and Management, and it was very skinny. There's the original spine. There's the back. It's a very grungy cover. It's seen better days. And you open it. And I've used mostly Sam Poole's Beekeeper's Digitals. So we start out with that. And I did a little bit of stitching here and there on the machine. This is the first page, or the title page of the book. So somebody's written 1878. I don't know if that's correct. And then I just made a little, this is just a little fabric pocket with a mother of pearl button. And although this has nothing to do with bees, I really like hairs. So I had to cut off this tag, and so I decided to put this in. And then this is a copy. This was on a candy box, a Victorian candy box, that my dog chewed up, but he didn't get the images, and so I copied them, since I didn't want to part with the originals. I'll get in there. And then this is a vellum pocket that I made from some bee stationery I had. And an old French letter or receipt in here. It's all tucked in, so I won't open it. And this little journaling card. And a couple more. And we have a fairy. I just love these. And it's a winged creature, so I put it in here anyway. There's a bee there. And you can journal on that. And here's another page from the book with the original owner's signature. Here's part of that stationery. It's really quite cool, as you can see. And this is an illustration, the only really full-page illustration in the book. You could journal in here. And this is a dried flower from my garden. It was purple, and you can still barely see that. Just when it dried, it got dark. And a journaling card. You can see what a mess it is on the back. I need to cover it. And this is part of one of the envelopes from that stationery kit. And over here on this side, I made a tuck. With another cute little card. And I'm trying to remember, this is, I think, Sam Poole, but it's not the beekeepers. I don't think. One maybe in the garden, that one. Another little, just a little journaling card. A page from the book. And then this, a couple of years back, I bought a little kit for making a bee journal, and she'd made these really great little slides that were included in the kit. So they're in this. And that's one of them. And then another journaling card. And a different, not a different digital set. This is from In the Garden, I believe. And another pocket. The bee book with the bee skep. And then another little, these are fun pockets. They're made from a circle. And I just punched the side of this. And then I love this image. I need to flip out here. You could journal there and there. And then this old drawing of a beekeeper. Page from a shorthand book. Some flowers. More bee skeps. I love that one. Some of the images were from Graphics Fairy, I think. And then this is a belly band, actually, with a tag. I didn't put anything in this because it was hard enough to get it to fit in there. See, it just wants to get caught on that fabric. This is out of a scrapbook, an old scrapbook. And then here's one of those slides that she made. I was going to do something here and I just forgot. This is from the bee book. And a wax seal with a bee. More from the bee book. And another fairy. And just a journaling card. That's from my garden. Dried flower. And just pinned on some lace. This opens up. And this is from the book. It's actually a railroad schedule, I think. And then we have this cute girl with the sunflowers. And then this is one of the tags that came in that kit with the specimen cards that she made. They're really cute. Another fabric pocket. and a specimen card. And I think this is from the book. Yes, it's a list of bee flowers for the different seasons. And then another tag. And then the wax seal with a little velvet ribbon. And then a bee with like a magnifying optical glass. And the belly band. And we have a beehive here, or bee skep on the seal. And then that's a flower from my garden, pressed flower. Another page from the book. And then this is one of those little pockets. And in the front, there's the last of the little things she made. So cute. This is Victorian. This is Victorian. So sweet. There's the back, but you could glue it in if you wanted. I chose to just put it behind this kind of cool, earthy looking stuff. There's the last page. And that's it. That's my bee journal. I really had fun making that one. And thank you again for watching, and thank you to all those who have subscribed and commented. It's very, very, very much appreciated. And I'll see you next time. Bye.